Good morning, everyone. I'm at another lake now, and we got here late yesterday evening. Did some calling sessions. Didn't get no response, but heard a bullfight across this lake. It was a big bullfight. You could hear the other bull taking off right in the water, right in the lake. It's incredible. So now I'm going to go on the side of this lake, go to this one spot, call a moose, see if I can call one out. My buddy Jeff at the cabin back there is cooking up a meal. Before breakfast, I'm out hunting. God willing, I'll get him with my bow. Beautiful lake here. A lot of moose in this area. Yeah. I just got off the lake. We're in a little lake here, and I hear a moose coming. There's a moose coming. Was that incredible? I nailed him. I got him with my bow. Praise the Lord. Can you hear him taking off? Incredible. I shot him with my bow. Oh my goodness. Pretty sure I got him good. I think I heard him fall. But we're gonna give it a... We're gonna wait for a while. That was incredible action. 10-yard shot with my bow. 10-yard shot. You seen the arrow go in. That was almost too real, it's crazy. I got some good penetration anyway. I'm happy about that. We just came back from Alberta. Tried to get some elk. Couldn't do it. Too much high mountains, and I was too out of shape. But I came back here in Saskatchewan, and I called me a moose. We came here before, and I had no camera then, but a moose eluded us. Not today. I'm so excited. There's another moose coming. Oh, that's freaky. That's awesome. Well, I went and found my arrow, so got some good penetration. Show you what I mean. See that? A lot of penetration. That went in there. That went in there real deep. Now, according to my angle, it looked good when I shot it. It went in, and he looked around and wondering what was going on. But I heard him in the water, and I swear I heard him fall. Because it was You can hear water and all of a sudden, whoosh, you can hear it splashing like it sounds on a moose's head. So I'm hoping he's just right in there, God willing. But yeah. But good penetration. I'm hoping I nailed that baby. Oh, 10-yard shot. There's no way I missed there. I hit him good. I'm going to look at the review the footage, review the shot, and see where it went. That bull came right around. I don't even want to explain it. You've seen it. But it was so awesome. I was going to shoot him with my gun first. Then it came around and got closer, and I thought, hey, try with the bow. I was trying to get another shot in there. You know when they lick their lips like that? That's a sign like it's internal bleeding. Or the sign of aggression. I read it as it was bleeding inside, so it was going to fall, and it didn't mean it. That's why I didn't finish it off with the rifle. I thought it was going to come charging me there. So I let him go. I was going to grab another arrow and shoot him with my bow, but he took off. So I know he's bleeding inside. He's not bleeding much on the path. But we'll see what happens. I'm going to get on a canoe now and go and track it. I got to jump over this little hill and take the canoe from there and try track it down. Alright. The good thing is running along the lake and not going straight into the bush. So that's the good thing. Bad thing is it's hard to track them in the water. It's hard to find blood. I found a little bit of blood. But I'm going to check the video camera, see. Man, you hear that grunting? Man, that was awesome. When I paddled up here, I heard him. As soon as before he even got set, I heard him grunting over there. I figured, oh, I got set, and then that's when I was talking to you there. And I'm hoping I got him. I gave it everything I had. And that's all you can do as a hunter. I really want to kill one with a recurve. Could have killed it easy with a rifle. But I went with a recurve. Alright. Well, we'll see what happens. Well, I tracked the moose down. He's right behind me. Right in this muskeg. Had to walk through it. Lots of water. Hard to get a canoe through. Got him with my recurve. Praise the Lord. Right on. Pretty good. We're taking some youth hunting. And we got Byron, we got Jeff, we got Tim, we got Cole. But we're supposed to pick up Brandon. He wasn't home. Danon and Dakota and Corey and Idaho. We're supposed to take all of them. But Corey's working. He's a good, hard-working man. So is Danon. But Dakota loves hunting. I wish he was here. You know, these boys at camp, they're sleeping. Man, it's tough, you know, nowadays with teenagers, how to get them up. I know, because I was a teenager. Hard to believe, eh? But praise the Lord, I got this with my bow. I think I hit him in a heart. Not sure, but he's down now. I heard another moose walking away there, so this is totally incredible. I am so excited, and guess what? A lot of work coming up. Right on. I'm so excited. I've been working hard on getting a moose kill on video with my recurve. It's a really hard thing to do because I'm hunting by myself. I'm a cameraman. I'm a caller. As you can see, that caller did all the work. I didn't have to do nothing. That's a real help when you're hunting by yourself. But yeah, it's tough to get people to come and, you know, film some stuff for me. But God willing, maybe after watching this video, they'll want to come. This is awesome. Got him with a good arrow. Mo Perrant, my best buddy, he always makes arrows. I got him with my wooden arrow. I wanted to kill a moose with a wooden arrow because it's kind of, I don't know, it takes me back to the native days, you know. And I always, you know, if there was buffalo then, I would have went after them. But I got me a moose, big moose, with a recurve bow, 53-inch. 53 pounds at 62-inch recurve. I mean, I'm telling you, I'm gonna stop talking. Let's go check it out. All right, look at that monster. Oh, that's a beauty, and I got him pretty good. This is a monster bull. I knew I heard him fall. And finally started bleeding, kind of a non-typical-ish kind of bull. But it's beautiful. Beautiful bull. Alright, let's check it out. Well, this is what the broadhead did to it. I got him right in here, which is a great shot. Right through there, see? Right in there. I think I broke a rib, but this is awesome. Praise the Lord. I'm so happy. Woohoo! Amazing. Wow. Look at that. That's a beauty. Woo! Beauty. Oh, this is so cool. Telling you what, I'm loving it. Every minute of it. Oh, this is a big fat bull. It doesn't stink yet, so it's going to be nice and fat. Wow. It's not really a monster, but you know what? It's a monster to me when you shoot with a recurve at 10 yards. That's amazing. And I got him good. Looked like he wasn't even hit. Like he just ran away. But I heard him crash. I heard him crash and I heard him fall and I heard a whoosh at the end. That's usually when the lungs are filled with blood. That's when they spit it out and then you can see the remnants of my broadhead. So he's bleeding right from the lungs. Praise the Lord, got him. Now I got to find a way to get out of here because I don't know. Hopefully that's an easy way to get out of here. But we'll see what we can do. I want to get some pictures now and get going with this thing. I need pictures, that's for sure. Right on. Beautiful bull. Beautiful bull. Ah. Yeah. Look at that baby. That was a beauty. A beauty, all right? Here's the arrow I snapped him with, hit him with. He went in there quite a ways, so pretty awesome. Well, I gotta find a shortcut out of here. See what happens. But yeah. Alright, now I gotta find a way to get out of here and make sure there's a lot of water where to get going out of here. But praise the Lord, everything was fun. Wow, got a lot of people to feed at home. Me and Byron killed a bull this summer, July. I killed a bull in last week and with a rifle. And now I killed a bull with my recurve bow. Called it right up with that collar I have. I mean, that collar is awesome. Wow, man, that's a big bull. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Got a lot of work to do, but I'm ready. 50 years old, man. Doing this all my life since I was 13 years old. Hope you guys can enjoy it with me. Yeah, the Bushman Bowman. That's who I am. That's what I do. Yeah. Finally plowed a road through that muskeg, and now we're on to the main lake, and now we're off. Go get this, go get my buddies and come and skin this baby up. It's pretty hot right now, so you have to call early in the morning. But, you know, I heard him call, and, you know, everything came together. I was blessed today. Got him with my recurve bow. It's still hard to believe it hasn't sunk in yet, but it will eventually. Oh, 10-yard shot, man. That was incredible. See that? Oh, this is nice. Okay, now we're heading back and have some fun. Lots of work, yes. Doing now. Okay. Right on. Just come back, and we're going to skin out this moose now. With this moose hunt, I use wooden arrows with Swicky broadheads, and got a lot of penetration on this moose. It went about, well, I'd say about almost 200 yards. Hit him right in the lungs, and tough moose. That's all I can say. Had a great time, good hunt here. Now we're going to skin this out and take it home because it's hot today. And when it's hot, you have to take the meat home as soon as possible because the meat rots very quickly. So that's what me and my buddy are going to do, Christopher here. Christopher's one of the youth we're taking out, and he's learning. He's here to learn about moose hunting, skinning. It's too bad he wasn't with me when I shot this moose. I had another youth that was sleeping, so he's going home today. So, yeah, so he's got to come and learn, and nice bull. I really like it. Beautiful, called it up at 10 yards. And this is the result of our awesome hunting with a canoe, right buddy?
Yeah.
Right on, having a good time here. Nice big bull, fat, one broadhead in there. I gotta try to get my broadhead out of there, but I made a good shot at 10 yards. You know, this nice bull, beautiful, stiff though. Looked like had a little bit of war injuries there, scrapping, but he came right in. I tell you what, I was so excited. Right on, buddy. Thanks a lot. Cool. Okay, this is Christopher. What's your last name? Naitaha. This is Conrad's son, that Conrad guy. He's been interested in hunting for a long time, and now he finally came with us. And this is the result of our fine hunting. Nice bull moose. Christopher's so tall, it's hard to get the picture of the moose with him there. Yeah, there we go. Awesome. So he's the one who got up. He went with the other crew, the quads, and had one youth with that was supposed to come with me with on a canoe, but he was too busy sleeping. So too bad Christopher wasn't with me. He would have had a great time. But he's still having a good time. He's going to learn how to skin now. And from here, go give some papa some meat, right? Right on. So we're going to head her back today, take the meat in, and go pick up a couple more youth and bring them out here. Right on, eh? How old are you, by the way?
14.
14. You had to think about it, too. All right. All right. Christopher's doing it. As far as you can. There you go. That's the way. Yeah. Watch you don't stab yourself. Yep, there you go. Good. Just make sure you keep that line. Yep. Good job, Christopher. Good man. Pretty good. Let's start from there. Yeah. Good job, Christopher. That's the way. Working hard like a true warrior. It's very important to teach our kids, the next generation, how to cut moose and pack them and hunt them and so on. How are they ever going to go hunting if you don't take them out? So that's why Christopher's here. He's enjoying his time. He's loving every minute of it. Today he learned how to paddle. Now today he's going to learn how to skin and take the meat and take it home. Right on. We should all do this, man. If you want to get him out of drugs and alcohol, take him hunting. Right?
Yeah.
Right on. All right. Christopher has come a long way. He's come a long way in his skinning. He's doing pretty good. He's almost done one side and I gotta do the other side. Here's where the broadhead went in. Broke a rib in there. Pretty cool.